We are looking at the euro Japanese yen on the 4-hour time frame, and right now we should be in a trade. We got this signal as the moving averages are in alignment, and we had the market pull back as we needed to. The DPI is red. We got the signal when this dot showed up above the price here, and before the market goes too far without me, I'm going to get into this sell trade. I am back, and let's fix this chart up a little bit here. All right, now we can see that I have entered the trade. The price has moved a little bit before I got in, but that's okay. Up here is a stop loss, and down here is the take profit. What we want is for the price to continue with this overall trend. And with that, I'm simply going to let the trade play out. And when this trade is over, I will be back. I'm back, and this was a really nice trade. That downtrend kept moving like we had hoped, and if I measure this movement, it looks to be about 193 pips, and that gave us a trade worth $2,994.49. This was another wonderful trade using the Rapid Results Method trading system. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another live trade video.